Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to grow your Christmas tree faster in Grow a Garden game of roblox Christmas update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the Christmas update part 3, we need to grow a Christmas tree to get rewards. And I'm going to give you tips guys how you can grow the Christmas tree faster. Okay, this is my Christmas tree right now, and to make it grow faster, of course, you will need the Wonder Water. Okay, right here you need to submit your Christmas mutated plants, and I recommend you to have penguin, reindeer, and also the pets which can give you the Christmas mutation. And you can also use the Christmas radar to harvest the fruits or the plants faster. Okay, make sure that you always see Christmas radar. It will be very helpful to harvest the Christmas mutated fruits. Okay, just use it like this. Okay, and I'm going to immediately submit all my Christmas mutated plants to this Wonder Water. Okay, I've reached 200 points. So use the radar to harvest your fruits or your plants faster, so it will make you easier and faster in getting the Wonder Water. And after that, you can water your Christmas tree with your Wonder Water. Okay, and just put it on your tree. Okay guys, and that's all the tips for me to grow the Christmas tree faster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.